Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book, Class 2nd.
On this page you can see there is a one picture is of pot is given and two steps also are there given. Okay, with the help of these two steps we are going to solve this. For this we required a gray color. Here we have to make a curve line like this way continuously. Divide each and every part with the different colors like this way. If any big part is there, you can change that part with the help of different line. Now after this we are going to start to color with different color, but you have to leave some space along with the border of each and every part. As you can see, I start with the yellow ochre color. You have to leave some space along with that part. See that each and every part should be with the different color, but along with that border we have to leave some white space like this way. Now paint each and every part with the same technique and same way like that. You can repeat colors once, twice. If you want, if you have more shades, you can use different shades for each and every color, unless you can repeat that color according to your imagination. You have to identify how much big part is there, small part is there. You have to paint each and every part with a different color. As you can see here, I use different color, but I am going to leave some white space along with that border. Then it will be look like this. When you painting any part, you have to paint the outline part first, and then we are able to understand the shape of that part, as well as we are able to understand how much big part is there, small part is there. Then we are able to easily paint with different colors like this way. Now complete the all parts with the color like this. Now our coloring is almost finished. After completing, it's look like this. Today we learn page number 9 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book, Class 2nd. Afterwards we are going to solve next page in next video.